So the 3 pounds of ground beef are in the pot. Ground it and cook it. You're not going to drain it. We're going to make it small by using some utensils. So Doc KA's Amazing Chili. The ground beef can't be too big. I like it small. You can do the ground beef any way you want. You can make it big chunks. I'm going to use this to break up the ground beef to be real small. So this is the texture of the ground beef. It's pretty small pieces. So this is a double batch of the chili. This is 3 pounds of the ground beef. Cooked fine, do not drain. There'll be 2 cans of French onion soup. The French onion soup you have to put like in a little blender and chop up the onion real fine. 4 cans of kidney beans, dark kidney beans, drained and washed. You're gonna have 10 ounces of tomato sauce, 2 small tomato paste, 2 cups of Coca-Cola, 2 tablespoons of molasses, 3 tablespoons, actually it's 4 tablespoons of molasses, 6 tablespoons of chili powder, 4 teaspoons of cocoa, 4 teaspoons of onion powder, 4 teaspoons of ground cumin, and a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of pepper. This is for a double batch, 3 pound batch of Doc KA's Amazing Chili. So I have the 2 cans of the French onion soup in the Ninja container, and I'm going to blend them real fine. That's it. After about 3 seconds of blending with a Ninja or a blender, you want it to be all just liquid. French onion soup liquid. So I've opened 4 cans of kidney beans, washed and drained them. They're going to go right into the meat, the cooked meat. So in with the meat is the French onion soup that was pureed, 4 cans of kidney beans, and then all the rest of these ingredients are going to go in, and it will be done. And then we'll let it simmer for about an hour and a half, and it's delish. All the ingredients are in with the meat, and let it simmer for about an hour and a half, and you can eat it. You could cook it longer. Just let it. It gets a thickness. You'll see a thickness to it. Right now, it's not thick. Well, it is thick, but it will get thicker. It's delish.